Hello friends. This is Sumesh Mohan. Welcome to my channel, Anesthesia Technician. Today, this video is the continuation from our last video, Basics of Anesthesia Machine. So, in this video we are talking about the pneumatic classifications of anesthesia machine. Before that, please subscribe my channel and enable the bell icon, if you didn't do yet. So, we are starting today's topic, pneumatic classification of anesthesia machine. In anesthesia machine the total components are classified into two components: pneumatic and electrical components. Pneumatic components are the parts of anesthesia machine, which work under the influence of pressurized gas. And the electrical components are the parts of anesthesia machine work under the influence of electric energy. So, what is meant by pneumatic system and what is pneumatic classification of anesthesia machine? Pneumatic system is a branch of engineering that make use of gas or pressurized air. And the pneumatic system of an anesthesia machine is subdivided into three smaller systems based on the amount of pressure seen in each one. They are high pressure system, intermediate pressure system, and low pressure system. So, let us check what is high pressure system and which are the parts it consists. The high pressure system consists of all parts of the machine, which receive gas at cylinder pressure. These include the following: hanger yoke, which connects cylinder to the machine. Yoke block, used to connect cylinders or pipeline hoses to the machine through the yoke. Cylinder pressure gauge, which indicates the gas pressure in the cylinder. Pressure regulator, which converts the high pressure into a lower or in a constant pressure. Here there is a picture in your left side, please go through that. The hanger yoke orients the cylinder, provides gas-tight seal and ensures a unidirectional gas flow. The hanger yoke consists of the body, which is the principal framework and supporting structure. The retaining screw, which tightens the cylinder in the yoke. The nipple, through which gas enters the machine. The index pins, which prevent attaching an incorrect cylinder. The bodic seal, the washer which helps to form a seal between the cylinder and the yoke. A filter, to remove particulate matter. The check valve assembly, which ensures a unidirectional flow of gas through the yoke. So, let us check, what is yoke block? Here it show a picture. Yoke block is a solid piece of metal that has a conical depression on one side to fit into the retaining screw, and a hollow area on the other side to fit over the nipple. They are pin indexed, and it prevents gas leak from the machine when placed in an empty yoke. So, what is cylinder pressure gauge? Cylinder pressure is usually measured by a Borden's pressure gauge. In the older machines like in Boyle's Mark III, the front of the Borden's pressure gauge is covered by a heavy glass window, and the back is covered by loosely fitted tin sheet. The pressure gauges are color-coded, white for O2 and French blue for N2O. The idea being if there is a sudden increase in the pressure and the tube ruptures, then high-pressured gases are vented from the back, preventing injury to the patient and the anesthesiologist. In machines like Boyle F, there were no pressure gauges for N2O as it was thought that there is no use of the same as the pressure remains constant until all the liquid N2O evaporates. In Boyle Mark III, pressure gauges were introduced for N2O also, so that once the indicator starts showing pressure less than 750 psig, the anesthesiologist will come to know that all the liquid N2O has evaporated and what remains is only N2O gas. What are pressure regulators? These are the devices which reduce the high pressures in the cylinders to a lower and more constant pressure to maintain a constant flow. If there are no pressure regulators, then there will be a necessity for the anesthesiologist to keep readjusting the flow control valves to maintain a constant flow as the cylinder pressure decreases with use, decreasing the flow. The high pressure from the cylinders can produce damage to the flow control valves. The high pressure can also produce barotrauma to the patient's lungs. With lowered pressure supplied to the flow meters, fine adjustments of the flow is possible. The pressure regulators reduce the pressure of the oxygen cylinders from 2200 psig to 45 to 60 psig, and the nitrous oxide cylinders from 750 psig 45 to 60 psig. This all for today's video. And we will continue the remaining topics from anesthesia machine in our next video. Thank you for watching my video. So, I hope everyone liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and enable the bell icon for getting you notifications of our coming videos. So, see you soon with my next video. Bye bye.